Today I will show how to make a chainless bicycle. This is the chainless bicycle. It is connected with this ring gear and pinion gear. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Let's see again. Okay, just see it. Just I am showing this. Just see the clear gear, and this is the brake line. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah. I used ring gear and pinion gear. Ring gear connected with this pinion gear, and this is the another ring gear which connected with pinion gear. This is the brake shoe. Okay, I'll show it animation. Just click this motion study and just see. Yes, now it is starting. Okay, today I just show this. Okay, just say it is working and it is moving. Yeah. If you want to know new design and new projects, please subscribe to my channel to get new design and new project. Okay, thank you for watching.